They provide support for the housing of the sheltered homeless and the coordination of services throughout LA County. They're being recognized for their leadership, for their for working with the Department of Public Health in response to the homeless outbreak, and to the implementation of the guidelines that we issued, the guidelines for shelters, homeless shelters, by inclusion of the core components of the shelter TB prevention guidelines in their contractual language, which was required for every one of their funded shelters. This includes a cough alert protocol, a referral of symptomatic persons to care, to name a designated TB liaison, to ensure TB clearance at shelter entry for referral of services, and TB screening and education annually of all staff and volunteers. Providing annual TB control program sponsored trainings on the shelter guidelines for their executive shelter management staff, including the winter shelter program, which operates between approximately December 1st and March 15th of every year. They have also provided access and training to the use of their case management system, homeless management information system, which has been critical to our effort to ensure that sheltered homeless are screened on an annual basis. It's also enabled us to quickly identify where a homeless person who has TB has been during the time when they have been infectious to others, and also when they may have been exposed, to establish the epidemiologic links between cases, which is so important to our control measures. So it is an honor for me today to present to their Executive Director, Michael Arnold, this award for achievements of LAHSA and their ongoing efforts to identify system-level changes to implement the requirements of TB clearance at the shelter entry and to protect residents and staff that work in shelters by referring to caring persons with active TB disease systems. And I see he also has here today his IT lead, Stephen Rocha, who has been a vital partner. And so I welcome you both and thank you very much for your support and cooperation in the past year.